Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the plastic piece that shows display light for the climate control, which can sometimes drop in and cause unsmooth rotation to the dial, and you may not be able to see in the dark where the knobs are pointing at. So we'll first start to remove the screws on the climate control panel. There are just a couple of them. Once those screws are removed, you won't be able to get the climate control panel out yet. You need to remove the middle console. So you start by moving the seats to the front, the passenger and the driver's seats to the front, and you remove 3 screws like I show you here, and then you move on to remove the gear stick housing. You have to remove this ring of plastic that's holding the black plastic piece in place. You have to somehow pry it up. Once that is pried up, then you have a couple of screws to remove, one on each side. And when you're done, you can give the middle console a little bit of wiggle and the middle console should come right up as shown. Now you can start to pry your climate control panel, and it should pop right out any minute from now. Give it a little bit of patience and the climate control panel should come right out. And disconnect the cables. Then we're gonna start remove 3 screws. The first, the second, and the third screw to reveal the knobs or the dials. Then from here you'll need a very small screwdriver in order to go in behind the knobs to push out the plastic piece that is dropped in. It's easier to go from sideways to try and pry it and push the white plastic piece to come out of the knob. Once that's done, you can see how smooth it rotates now. All the white plastic pieces are now back in place. Well, at this stage, I didn't show it on the video, but I had put a few drops of super glue on the knobs, especially at the plastic pieces. You gotta be careful where you drop the super glue droplets. I just use very tiny bits of droplets to hold the white plastic piece to prevent them from dropping down again. Then now I'm testing the climate control knobs. The lights are clearer now with the indication of where they are, and the rotation feels very smooth. With that done, it's now time to put everything back together. So putting back together would be rather similar to how we've dismantled the climate control panel. Do not force anything, make sure the cables are properly connected, and you want to make sure you give it a little bit of wiggle whenever you feel it's stuck, and push it in gently, just like this. Yep, 2 screws to put it back in place.
You start.
both screws in. Then we can test our climate control knobs and see if they are fully working.
Super Junior 成员松敏则演唱的这一首
Look at the indication light. It's way better than how it was before. When the white plastic pieces dropped in, that indicator to show where the knobs are pointing at were rather difficult to be seen, and sometimes turning the knob, it feels a little bit stuck due to the white piece dropping down and it's blocking the rotation. Now it's feeling like there's how it's supposed to be.